Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So we'll be seeing the nude eye makeup today. So already I have concealed my eye and even I've applied the loose powder on it so that it does not move. Now I'm starting the transition shade using a brown orange shade. Once you start blending that on the crease line, step by step you would be making it a bit more darker by using one or two shades darker eventually. So first I have started with the lighter shade. Now I am blending on it. Let's blend it well. The crease line has to be visible. Once the crease line is visible, we'll go to the next step. Now you guys can see the shade has become a bit darker now. So I'll be taking a blackish brownish shade, the darker shade of the brown family, and will be applying at the corners of the eye. So once that is darkened, in the inner corner I will be applying a lighter shade so that it does not look dark. Now completely blend the eye all together. Once blending is done, we'll go with the lower eyelid. So in the lower eyelid, I would be applying the light brown shade, then a kajal, okay. So now the lighter brown shade has been applied on my lower line. So once the lower line is done, I'll be applying a shimmer as well on the lower line also. As you can see, I've just applied a very little shimmer because it's for subtle eye look, right? So if we are doing heavy makeup, then we'll be going with the glitters as well. Now once lower eyelid is done, we'll be applying the kajal. Once kajal is done, we'll be applying the mascara. So you can see almost the eye look is done. Now I'm applying the same black eye shade on the upper lid of my eye as a eyeliner. So just to give that smoky effect now, I don't want it to be a typical eyeliner, but I just want it to be a bit dark shade on the eyelid. Now I am doing my eyebrows. So always start from the center and go to the end, and then go to the beginning. The beginning, it should have very less deposit it, so that it doesn't look very thick there. So now using a spoolie and getting my eyebrows done properly. Once eyebrow is done, okay, so you can see my eyebrow now. Okay, the last step is applying the shim highlighter.